Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make announcements and how you can rate, people on Dress to Impress Freeplay. So just go in here and you're just going to sit on the chair here, press E on your keyboard, and then to make announcements, select this heart icon on the top and type in the announcement. I'm just going to type in test, and I'm just going to select announce, and it's going to be here. It's going to also display your name, so just be aware of that. To rate people's outfit, you can rate them from 0 to 10. It's just going to automatically appear when you're in the judge's chair, on the judge's chair. Okay, so there's 0, which says chop. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and they give you different emojis for it too. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.